The third wave of the coronavirus pandemic has been confirmed in Nigeria. Minister of Health Osage Hanere and Lagos State Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu made the announcement at different events on Monday. Our correspondent Abisola Adebayo has the details.
Nigeria has witnessed an uptick in the number of COVID-19 infections, which has been linked to the emergence of Delta variant in the country. With the emerging trend, the government is monitoring the situation and has hinted of a possible third wave of the deadly pandemic.
The sharp increase in the number of confirmed COVID-19 cases, especially since this month of July, as global anxiety over the Delta variant spreads. All data indicate that we are now no doubt in the third wave, the resurgence of SARS-CoV-2 infection, which we saw coming since it first appeared in India.
Lagos remains the worst affected state, recording over 9% increase in July. Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu says an average of 6 deaths is being recorded daily in the past week. He is, however, confident that the third wave will be successfully managed.
We dealt with the first and the second wave, and we did our best indeed to prevent this third wave. Now that it's fully upon us, we must dig deep with what we have learned from the first and the second wave. We have been able to refine our strategies and our response, and we're now in a good place to ensure that this third wave is the final one. I believe we can close the pandemic chapter very, very soon.
Nigeria has received 4 million doses of the Moderna vaccine and is expecting another batch of the AstraZeneca vaccine in a couple of weeks. The government says vaccination will commence within the next few days and warned against mixing jabs.
The vaccines will be deployed to the states as soon as we receive clearance from NAFDAC. This is in line with standard practice. When the vaccines arrived in the early hours of Sunday, NAFDAC officials were on ground and they randomly collected some of the samples for testing to certify if they are fit for use in Nigeria. Once we receive NAFDAC clearance, which should be in a couple of days, we will commence distribution to the states that are already on standby.
The confirmation of the third wave of the pandemic comes on the same day doctors who are members of the National Association of Resident Doctors, NARD, commenced a nationwide industrial action which has paralyzed activities in many tertiary hospitals across the country. Abisola Adebayo, TV 360, Lagos.